Let's make Jered's Christmas Rumtini. To make this drink, I am going to start with the rum. 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces of your spiced rum. 3/4 ounce or 22.5 milliliters of your amaretto. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And 1/2 ounce of your cranberry syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this into my cocktail glass. The pectin from the cranberry syrup does create some clogging in the strainer, so I'm going to stir it a little bit and see what I can do. All right. Garnish. I'm going to garnish it with a skewer full of cranberries. Oh, and I guess it's going in the glass instead of on the edge. And there you have it, Jered's Christmas Rumtini. Drink with good spirits.